President John F. Kennedy was one of the key driving forces behind the United States' entry into the space race and its ultimate conclusion, in which the U.S. landed on the moon in the summer of 1969. Sadly, Kennedy wouldn't be alive to see it happen, having been assassinated in November 1963. All of this being said, it makes sense Lyndon Johnson would want to do something to honor the slain president, beyond actually trying to help fulfill the quite insane prediction at the time that the United States would soon be walking on the moon. Cape Canaveral, located off the eastern coast of Florida, was originally a test site for missiles dating back to 1949. The Cape was chosen as a launch site due to its relative proximity to the equator and the ability to take advantage of the Earth's rotation. This made it a logical location for one-day launching space rockets. Thus, the NASA Launch Operations Center was born. The Launch Operations Center would soon become the Kennedy Space Center. But first, President Johnson decided to rename Cape Canaveral after his predecessor, issuing the executive order in 1963. Jacqueline Kennedy initially suggested that Johnson renaming NASA's facility there would be an appropriate memorial, but Johnson took it one step further. As it turns out, nobody in Florida really loved it right from the start. It would take 10 years for the Cape to be changed back. The name change was approved by the U.S. Board on Geographic Names within the Department of the Interior, so it took a Florida law passed in May 1973 to get the job done in restoring the 400-year-old name. Today, the Kennedy Space Center name still exists, and Floridians have decided that's a fine amount of honor for the assassinated president.